Peachy Bunny Bakes. Today I'm going to show you how to make these really simple but super good Japanese strawberry daifuku. This is a no-bake recipe and they're super easy to make. All you need are a few ingredients and a microwave. So let's get baking. For the ingredients, you'll need some cooked potato starch, water, shila tamako powder, red bean paste, strawberries and some sugar. Before we start, I'm straining the red bean paste first. I'm using the ones that come in a can, so these tend to contain a lot of fluids, as you can see. If you're using packaged red bean paste you get from baking supply stores, then you could probably skip this step. Keep in mind that you'll only have about half the weight after straining the fluids. Wash your strawberries and then dry them really well with a kitchen towel. Cut away the leaves and stems. Set the red bean paste and strawberries aside and let's begin. Combine your shila tamako powder and sugar in a microwave-proof bowl and then just briefly give it a mix. Shila tamako powder is actually the Japanese version of glutinous rice flour. I'm sure you can find it at a lot of baking supply stores if you're in Asia, otherwise in most Japanese supermarkets. Now pour in the water. I like to do it in one go. Some people like to do it gradually, but I prefer the quickest way and it works for me every single time. Just make sure you stir really well so there are no lumps. Cover your bowl with cling wrap and then microwave for about 60 to 80 seconds. You can see my legs in the reflection. That's really weird. Anyways, so afterwards half of your dough should be kind of cooked and it should look transparent, and just give everything a good mix so it's well incorporated. Now cover your bowl again and pop it back into the microwave for 60 to 80 seconds again. The time really varies depending on the power of your microwave, but your dough should be transparent when it's cooked, so yeah, just do a few trial and errors. Now in a separate tray you want to sprinkle some cooked potato starch. Make sure it's cooked potato starch, not the raw one. Now just transfer your dough onto the tray and let it cool. Don't touch it right now, it's super hot. Meanwhile, let's prepare the filling. So take 20 grams of red bean paste, place it inside a piece of cling wrap, and you want to flatten this really well into a disc shape. Then place the strawberry in the center and just wrap your red bean paste around the strawberry. I like to leave the tip unwrapped so the strawberry kind of peeks through the mochi and it adds a nice pop of color and it just makes a nicer presentation. Ta-da! So go on and do the same with the others, and by now your dough should be cooled. Now place a generous amount of cooked potato starch on a separate plate and dust your hands with it as well. Take 30 grams of the dough and place it onto the plate, and you want to keep flattening the dough into a round shape. It gets really sticky, just keep sprinkling more cooked potato starch on top. And once you feel like the dough is large enough, you can place it on top of the filling and then just wrap it up. Now we're basically done and you just want to mold the mochi into a rounder and prettier shape. You see how there's a touch of red on top? That's why we don't cover the tip of the strawberry with red bean paste. I can't wait to try these. Whoops. The tartness of the strawberry balances out the sweetness of the red bean paste. So there's a bit of crunchiness in the strawberry, and the mochi is super chewy and so soft. You have to try to make these. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you do like this video, make sure to give this a thumbs up and make sure to click the bell so you get notifications whenever I upload a new video.
Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back here on Peachy Bunny Mail next time. Bye!